Tracking your views on TikTok is a key part of understanding your content's impact and growing your presence on the platform. Whether you're a casual user curious about your reach or an aspiring creator eager to analyze performance, knowing how and where to see your TikTok views is essential. Here's how you can easily check the views on your videos and gain deeper insights into your TikTok audience. Begin by opening the TikTok app and logging into your account. Once you're on the main feed, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, you'll see a grid displaying all of the videos you've posted. Each video thumbnail features a number at the bottom left corner. This number represents the total views that particular video has received. It's a quick way to scan your content and instantly see which videos have captured the most attention from viewers. If you're looking for more detailed analytics, TikTok offers a built-in analytics tool, but it's important to note that access to these features requires a pro account. Don't worry, switching to a pro account is free and easy. Simply go to your profile, tap the three lines or dots in the top right corner to open settings, and select Manage Account. From there, choose Switch to Business Account or Switch to Creator Account. Follow the prompts to make the switch. Once you've upgraded, you'll see an Analytics option under the Settings menu. Within Analytics, you'll find three main tabs: Overview, Content, and Followers. The Overview tab gives you a snapshot of your video views, profile views, and follower growth over a selected time period. The Content tab is particularly useful for diving into the performance of individual videos. Here, you can see total views, average watch time, and how people discovered your video, such as through the For You page, your profile, or hashtags. The Followers tab helps you understand who your audience is, including demographics like gender, location, and when your followers are most active. By studying these metrics, you can refine your content strategy and post at optimal times. For creators aiming to grow their audience, regularly reviewing your view counts and analytics can help you spot trends. For example, if you notice that certain types of videos consistently get more views, you can focus on creating similar content. You may also observe that videos posted at specific times or on certain days perform better than others. TikTok's analytics make it possible to experiment and adjust your approach based on real data. It's also important to understand what counts as a view on TikTok. A view is registered as soon as your video starts playing, even if the viewer only watches for a second. This makes views a useful but sometimes broad metric. To get a clearer picture of engagement, look at likes, comments, shares, and average watch time in addition to views. High view counts paired with strong engagement usually indicate that your content is resonating with your audience. If you're curious about how your content is performing compared to others, you can also explore trending videos in your niche or community. Observing the view counts and engagement rates of similar creators can offer inspiration and help set goals for your own channel. Tracking your views on TikTok isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding your audience, refining your content, and celebrating your growth. By regularly checking your video views and diving into analytics, you'll be better equipped to create compelling videos, connect with your viewers, and achieve your TikTok goals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your content to the next level, keeping an eye on your views is the first step toward success on TikTok.